Alright, so I had a few people ask me how do their students log into Google Classroom, so I'm going to make this hopefully short video on how to do that. So if you go onto your web browser, preferably Google Chrome, up here in the top right hand corner, mine has my picture because I'm already logged in, but yours would probably have just a little gray figure up there. You're going to click on that, and you will click on your account. I already have mine on here, but if I didn't, I would just hit add another account and it would ask me for my email and my password, and it would add it on there. So your kids' email is their first initial, last name at allenbowden.k12.ok.us, and I will upload the template for that on our Facebook page, or I can message you guys individually, whatever you guys want. And then their password should be the first four letters of their last name plus their lunch number. I have almost everyone's passwords, but not everybody. I'm not sure why, but I'm sure I can figure it out, or Miss 2 might have all of them. So once it adds the account, you would go back up here and click on that account. And then right here where it has the square with a bunch of little squares, they would click on that because that's all the Google apps that are on their Allen Bowden account. And then you should see where it says classroom, and it has a chalkboard with little people on it. And it should bring up all of their Google Classrooms that they have. They should have 2 for me and 2 for Miss 2. So they could click on that. Like I'm going to click on my Language Arts A. And then all they have to do is go to classwork. And it has all their assignments on there that they need. And that's it. If you guys want me to do another video on for me and Language Arts how to do their quick write, or anything else you guys want, just let me know. They should know what they're doing, but just in case, just let me know what you guys need, alright? Alright, bye.